Hey friends, if you wish to remove compatibility mode in Microsoft Excel, then please watch this video. So we'll open Microsoft Excel. Okay, we'll go to File and then we will go to Info and then click on Check for Issues and select Check Compatibility. Now this will open the compatibility mode. So if this is check compatibility when saving this workbook and click on OK, that is when the compatibility mode is on. And to switch it off, simply click on File, select Info, check for issues, check compatibility, and uncheck this box here. Okay, and anyway, you'll just get a summary here anyway, which says no compatibility issues found or whatever. So this is how you can remove compatibility mode in Microsoft Excel. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.